Poor weld detection system for nut welding. Perfect Navi. Perfect Navi is a bad welds detection system, and we have 3 types to accommodate various types of welders such as stationary spot welders, projection welders and C-gun welders. L-type enables to detect bad welds of upper nuts on U-shaped workpieces that could not be detected before, so it accommodates all nut weld detection. Compared to conventional Navi series, height of Perfect Navi detection unit is the lowest, and this allows for better usability according to various welding job. It is similar to conventional Navi series. When an incorrect nut setting is detected, the welder stops right before welding. It prevents manufacturing defectively welded products. It can detect 15 types of incorrect nut setting. The quick exhaust valve allows the compressed air in the air cylinder to be discharged instantly, and this improves the durability of the air cylinder and prevent deterioration of the linear sensor. Air blowing prevents spatter to enter inside of the welder arm. It is also effective for cooling electrodes. Great cooling effect with inner water cooling system. Perfect Navi. Designed for all types of workpieces, aim for zero welding defective.